Okay.
Bring the left foot forward near your left hand. Okay. Now bring the right elbow down to the mat. Grab hold of your left ankle with the right hand. Raise your left arm up. Bend the right knee. If you can grab hold of your right ankle, hold. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Then bring the left arm under the left knee. And then slowly bring the crown of the head down to the mat. Hold your head with your right hand. Then slowly